Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade cornbread with cornmeal, only ways. Preheat oven to 425 degrees F and grease an 8-inch pan, then whisk dry ingredients together. In another bowl, beat 2 eggs with 1 1/2 cups milk and 1/4 cup melted butter, then pour wet into dry and fold until just combined. Pour batter into the pan and bake 20 to 25 minutes until golden and set. This step is all about texture and timing, so be gentle and relaxed while mixing. Use room temperature eggs and milk to help the batter come together easily, and avoid vigorous beating, which makes dense cornbread. Fold until the flour and cornmeal are mostly combined and a few small streaks remain. Transfer the batter to your prepared pan and smooth the top lightly before baking for a tender crumb and golden crust. If you are enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe and like so I can bring you more easy recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle I used keeps you hydrated while you bake and makes kitchen cleanup breaks more pleasant. Look in the description for the link and other deals I mentioned, and consider grabbing one if you want a reliable bottle. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Bake time can vary slightly, so watch for a golden top and a clean toothpick to know when it is done. Allow the cornbread to rest in the pan for 5 to 10 minutes to finish setting, which makes slicing much easier and prevents crumbling. Serve warm, topped with butter or honey, or pair with chili or greens for a cozy meal that balances sweet and savory flavors and highlights that appealing cornmeal texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.